Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have traffic, now convert it into ad revenue. First, audit your audience metrics, monthly uniques, session duration, top pages, and device mix, because advertisers buy context. Once that data is clear, build a one-page media kit with rates, ad units, and targeting options. Keep it scannable. Then, pick 10 relevant prospects and send personalized outreach. Mention a specific page or audience insight. Make sure to include a clear call to action and schedule one follow-up in 5 to 7 days. Once a prospect responds, move to concrete terms. Present 3 clear packages: CPM display, sponsored content, and performance-based affiliate or CPA, so advertisers pick the fit. During negotiation, explain ad tech options like header bidding or Google Ad Manager versus direct tags, because implementation affects yield and control. Make sure to confirm creative specs, a start date, reporting cadence, and payment terms upfront. Also agree on tracking pixels and viewability thresholds. This reduces back after launch. Run a 14 to 30-day test and monitor CTR, viewability, revenue, and page load impact, because initial performance dictates renewals. Once you see data, optimize by swapping ad sizes, adjusting placements, and enforcing frequency caps to improve UX and yield. If things go wrong, reproduce the problem, check ad tags and network logs, clear caches, and disable conflicting scripts. If unresolved, escalate to your ad platform or developer immediately. One troubleshooting tip: always provide timestamp screenshots and request server logs for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.